See, in a nearly developed city, it is estimated that the voting population, we have to calculate the voting population in 1000, will increase accordingly. V of t, that is V of is nothing but velocity. Okay, V of t equal to voting population or velocity. It's a voting population. V of t, voting in 1000. 30 plus 12t square minus t cube. 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 8, where t is the time taken. Accordingly, the time taken in years. Find the approximate change of voters for the time change from 4 to 4/1/6 years. So, what is given? Voting population V of t equal to 30 plus 12t square minus t cube. Then the limit is given as what? 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 8 because of time. Okay. See, when t equal to 4 years. What is change in time? Change in time is nothing but what? Delta t is approximately dt. Delta t or approximately dt equal to 4/1/6 minus 4. 4/1/6 minus 4. You can take the improper fraction. You can bring it to what is that? 25/6 minus 4. So it gives 25 minus 24/6. It gives 1/6. So now you differentiate that voting population with respect to time taken. What is the answer you are getting? See here, dV by dt. dV by dt equal to 30 is a constant. So it becomes 0 plus 24t because n into x power n minus 1 formula minus 3t square. So dV equal to 24t minus 3t square into dt. Now change in volume. Change in volume. What is change in volume? It's approximately what? dV. Change in volume is nothing but dV. See, change in volume. Change in, that is change in volume. What is change in volume? It is change in voters. V-O-T-E. Change in voters. Change in voters. Not change in volume. It is change in voters. Change in voters. dV. It's approximately dV. Change in voters is approximately dV. So dV equal to, what is dV value? 24t. 24t minus 3t square into dt. So it gives 24 into t value is 4 minus 3 into t value is 4 square into dt. dt is nothing but what? 1/6. dt is 1/6. 24 into 4. So dV equal to change in voters. Change in voters dV equal to is approximately, we are getting the approximate value. It's approximately 24 into 4, 96. 96 minus 16. 4 square is 16. 16 3s are 48 into 1/6. So what is that value? 48 into 1/6. So change in voters in 1000 we are asking. So you will write change in voters equal to 8000. Change in voters equal to 8000. See the ninth sum, the relation between the number of words y a person learns in x hours is given by y equal to 52 root x. Y is nothing but a person and x is nothing but a number of hours a person is learning. Okay. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Between the interval they are given as a closed interval 0 to 9. What is the approximate number of words? number of words learned when x changes 1 to 1.1 hours and 4 to 4.1 hours. See, I can take it as the first subdivision. In first subdivision, the changing hour is 1 to 1.1 hour. So you can take it as x equal to 1 and delta x is approximately dx equal to 1.1 minus 1 is nothing but what? 0.1. So y equal to 52. The root I will write as what? X to the power 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2. dy by dx. Y with respect to x. It gives 52 into n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. 26. So, dy equal to 26 x to the power minus 1 by 2. X to the power minus 1 by 2 into dx. The power should not be negative. So, dy equal to 26 by x to the power 1 by 2 into dx. Okay. So, dy equal to, you substitute everything here. X value is y and x value is 1 and delta x value is 0.1. So, 26 by 1 power 1 by 2 into 0.1. So, what is the value of dy? dy equal to 26 by 1 is 26. 26 into 0.1, it gives what? 2.6, that is approximately 3 words. Approximately 3 words. So, approximate change number of words. Approximate number of words learned between 1 to 1.1 hour is equal to 3 words. Approximately 3 words. Now you move on to 4 to 4.1 hours. Yeah, the second subdivision 4 to 4.1. Here you can take it as x equal to 4 and delta x. Delta x is nothing but it's approximately dx equal to 4.1 minus 4. It gives 0.1. It gives 0.1. So y as it is, what is y? 52 x to the power 1 by 2 dy by dx equal to 52 n into x power n minus 1. That dy equal to 26 because it get cancelled. 52 and get 2 and get cancelled. X to the power minus 1 by 2 into dx. dy equal to 26 because the power is in negative. You can bring it to the denominator. 26 by x power 1 by 2 into dx. 20y by, in the place of x, we can change it 4. Because x value is what? 4. 4 power 1 by 2 into 0.1. So, dy equal to 26 by 4 is nothing but what? 2 square. 2 square whole power 1 by 2 into 0.1 to get cancelled. So, dy equal to 26 by 2 into 0.1. When we cancel, what is the value? 13. Cancel, that is the value 13. 13 into 0.1 is nothing but what? 1.3. It's approximately one word because 0.3. If it is 0.5 means we can convert it into 2 because the previous one 2.6. Okay. So 5 and above you can convert it the decimal. Here 1.3. 1.3 means we are not able to convert the decimal. See here, that is a whole number. It becomes what? One word. In the value, in the place after the decimal, 5 and more than 5, you can convert into 1. Okay, 1.6 means you can convert it into 2. You can add one value to the before the decimal place. See here. Okay, so it gives approximately one word. So approximately number of words learned. Approximately number of words learned equal to 1. Approximately number of words learned equal to 1. See, a circular plate expands uniformly under the influence of heat. If you can influence the heat, the circular plate expanding. Okay. If its radius increases from 10.5 cm to 10.75 cm, that is increased in area. Then find an approximate change in the area and the approximate percentage also we are asking this question. Percentage changes in the area. See here, first radius of the plate. Radius of the plate. What is the radius they have given, ma? 10.5 centimeter. Radius equal to 10.5 centimeter. Change. If the heat infuses, change. Change means the radius changing. Delta. If the radius changing, automatically the area is also changing. Delta R is approximately dr equal to change in radius 10.75 minus 10.5. 10.75 minus 10.5 dr equal to 0.25. So area of the circular plate. Area of the circular plate. What is the formula for area of the circle? Pi r square. Area of the circular plate equal to pi r square. It means A equal to pi r square. So differentiate A with respect to R. So it gives dA by dr equal to pi into 2R. dA by dr equal to pi into 2R. dA equal to 2 pi R into dr. Now approximate change in area. Approximate change in area. Approximate change in area. It's approximately nothing but what? dA. Approximately dA. So dA it's approximately 2 pi. What is R value? What is R value? 10.5. 10.5 into what is it? What is dr value? Dr value is 0.25. 0.25. See, approximate change in area equal to 2 pi into 10.5 into 0.25. 25 2s are 50. 50 into 10.5, you can get the answer 5.25 pi into centimeter square. You can do everything in the calculation part of our column. Next, you move on to the approximate change in percentage. Approximate percentage of change. Approximate percentage changes in the area. Changes in the area. Changes in the area. So what is the formula? See here, dA by A into 100. dA by A into 100. What is dA? 5.25 pi. 5. This is dA, approximate change in area. So it gives 5.25 pi by area is nothing but what? Pi r square. Pi into 10.5 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 100. Into 100. Pi get cancelled. Multiply by 100. What is the value you are getting? 525 by 10.5, because the decimal into 100 means the decimal goes to the next two places, into 10.5, 2 decimal point. Again you should multiply into 100 into 100. So what is the value you are getting, ma? 525 into 100 by 10, 105 into 105. You cancel 21 times. You cancel here 21 times, 20 times. 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 20 times. Here also 21 times. You cancel here, it gives 4 times. 4 5. See, 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 175. 175. 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. Balance 3. 7 5s are 35. So 25 into 400. So you can do it everything in the rough column and check the answer. Okay. See here. So it gives 100 by 21. Approximate percentage change in the area. 100 by 21. You will divide 100 by 21. 21 4s are 84. Balance 6 1. 116.0. 21 7s are 14. 147. Balance 3. Balance 3 1. Again you can put 0. 21 6 are 136. 126. Balance 4. So what is the answer for this? 4.76 percentage. 4.76 percentage. Approximate percentage changes in the area is what? 4.76 percentage. See the 11th sum. A coat of paint of thickness 0.2 centimeter is applied to the faces of a cube. You know the cube. You think of the dice. Okay. So cube whose edge is 10 centimeter. Use the differentiate to find the approximate how many cubic centimeter of paint is used to paint the cube. Okay. Also calculate the exact amount of paint used to paint the cube. See here, edge of the cube is nothing but A. You know the formula. What is the volume of the cube? Because the total area should be painted means it's nothing but what volume of your cube. What is the volume of your cube formula? A cube. See edge of the cube. Edge of the cube. Edge of the cube. A equal to 10 centimeter. Thickness delta A. Thickness delta A is approximately TA equal to 0.2 centimeter. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube V equal to. Volume of a cube V equal to A cube. dV by dA equal to 3A square. Then dV equal to 3A square into dA. 3A square into dA. Volume of the paint. Volume of the paint. Volume of the paint. Volume of the paint equal to approximately dV. Volume of the paint approximately dV. dV is approximately 3 into what is that A value? 10 square. What is the dA value? It's nothing but what? 0.2. 3 into 0.2 is nothing but 0.6 into 100. Approximately what is the dV value? Volume of the paint. Volume of approximate volume of paint. Volume of paint. Approximate volume of paint equal to 60 centimeter cube. Approximate volume of paint equal to 60 centimeter cube. Then you should find out the exact amount of the paint. Okay, see exact amount, exact amount of the paint, exact amount of the paint equal to, exact amount of the paint equal to V of 10.2 minus V of 10. Okay, V of 10.2 because that change area is 0.2. So 10 plus 0.2 is 10.2. V of 10.2. Don't get confused where this 10.2 comes. See here 10 plus that's 0.2 change area. So 10.2 minus what? V of 10. So what is the value getting? Volume is nothing but what? A cube minus 10 cube. B cube minus 10 cube. So if you multiply and check the answer, multiply and check the answer 6061.208 minus 1000 minus 1000. So it gives 61.208 centimeter cube. Amount of paint, exact amount of paint used, exact amount of paint used.